Here, I'm going to give the ingredients. Again, I copied whatever the recipe was given by Shirley and her mom. It's 1 cup of flour. To me, it's 1 cup of rice flour, a pinch of salt, 1/3 cup olive oil for me, or any vegetable oil, and 1/3 cup water. And just use spatula like this to mix it, and then I put them on a baking sheet with the baking paper on it, and then bake it at 425 for 20 minutes. Do not go beyond 20 minutes because I think I went a little over 20 minutes, and look, it's a little bit toasty, but it still tastes good. Anyway, hope you like this. Thank you again. Credit goes to Shirley Ramirez and her mom. I'm changing the flour to a gluten-free rice flour and tapioca starch. Communion bread, gluten-free. Kind of burned it on the other side, but because I was watching TV, but it tastes good. It really tastes good. Thank you to Shirley Ramirez and her mom for showing me or sharing a video on how to make communion bread. And I just kind of tweaked it so that it will be gluten-free for my family. Ben, can you try that?
It's good.
It's not too hard?
Mm-mm.
Thank you.